It's especially galling to have sat across the table from some of the people who are now currently in power, who are pushing or excusing this type of behavior. And not only that, who are either silent or actively working behind the scenes, not stopping.
Oh, jeez!
Like, look, I could call it a takeover.
Oh, seriously?
Trump has agency. He's the one who's decided to embrace this neoconservative agenda to do all of this insane nonsense of Venezuela.
Whoa! You stupid, bro? Oh my God!
The sharks of the woods took position behind the others in a slightly staggered formation that covered the gap between the two leading coaches. Mobile, with 50 Shigeru Senshi warriors, formed a mobile reserve behind.
What's wrong with you?
Cozies, I be hitting the jets, showing her some love, she be giving me sex. Respect the out of nine. Don't walk around and be a victim of a crowd while you lying. Tell the truth, step aside. I don't got the time to let it slide. Yeah, I'm too grounded. Push whips at more mountains, no crib, no.
Jesus Christ.
Going to be following on from the conversation started by Deirdre Reynolds in the Irish Independent about what you should wear to work. So she says that if you're arriving to work in clothes that are a step above athleisure and all of your colleagues think that you have a job interview in your lunch.
Doing? Well, that sucks.
Now, you stupid. So I don't know the area that well. How long till we get to Isaac's?
I'd say about 15 minutes.
Oh, okay. Try one. What are you doing? What the? So they make their turn, realize they don't have enough room to go straight, so they keep trying it anyways, even though there's cars coming.
Video protected.
That was grade A.
Down there.
Somebody behind me?
Behind me, trying to. What's he doing? What are you?
Let him go. Just let him go. Oh my God! Fuck. Jesus. Stay away from him.
I mean,
Video protected.
Oh, that's not what I needed this morning.
I feel fine. 6 o'clock, TV hour, don't be calling more cars, slashing for.
What the f are you doing? Are you kidding?
Esa verga. Estúpido. Maldita sea, y el de atrás que iba rapidísimo, ¿sí lo viste?
Cámara de velocidad más adelante.
You quit.
along with the learner. But when you're... Tell it to do that. Safe. It's okay, baby.
What are you doing, buddy? Look, he's driving on the wrong side of the road.
Yeah, it's funny that he's on the wrong side. Oh, right. Oh, you see that?
He's like, damn. Oh, he just kept going straight.
And he's like, oh.
Like, not going down there. Oh, then he just went through.
He just went through the red light, yeah.
Oh my god, is this his first time alive?
And a Friday's forecast high is 22 degrees. Pressing the newsmakers to get the real story. It's Heather Duplessis Ellen Drive with One New Zealand coverage like no one else. News on TV.
Very
Afternoon, welcome to the show. I'm not your heroine. I can't save you now. Breaking, trying to stop your sin. I'm not your heroine.
I hope they fuck you up inside your head. You know I don't forgive and don't forget. I hope you're miserable.
Somber and tall. Listen now on Spotify.